I'm Brendan Dean, this year's St. Baldrick's Director. We're combining forces with National Residence Hall Honorary. St. Baldrick's is a foundation where it raises money for families and children that have cancer, and they help with the procedures and surgeries that come along with cancer. Some ways that we have raised funds in the past are through our dodgeball tournament, reaching out to businesses, along with asking for donations and selling merchandise. Some additional ideas that we have for this year is having a virtual walk/run trivia nights, along with our biggest and awesome event, the Shave-a-thon, where we have people shave their heads in support of our cause or donate their hair for children that are going through the chemo process. If you want to be a part of an impactful and meaningful experience where you can better the lives of many, please join us and contact me at deanb@bgsu.edu.